wasps. Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be filling in a huge hole that has been created by wasps. Yes, wasps. Loads of them outside the window, outside the bedroom window, that would you believe have managed to get inside the house from the roof somehow. And as you can see there, they're getting in through the gaps, through this window. And it looks like they're also gaining entry from another hole further up on the roof. So, and as you can see there, that's the queen. It's very rare to see the queen leave the nest actually. So they have started to get in through my bedroom wall between the window and the ceiling. And in a panic, I quickly started to fill in the hole with filler. However, this proved a waste of time because the wasps can eat through plaster. So I kept filling and piling the filler until it looked like this. We eventually controlled the situation, and this prevented the wasps from entering the house. So what we did, we used this wasp powder and sprays, and this helped to control the situation basically. We have had wasps before, and we normally leave them alone as wasps die during the winter period and the queen moves on to another location in the spring. But this is the first time they have actually entered the house through the walls. It is a good idea to fill gaps to prevent wasps building nests in your home. So it is a good idea to fill any gaps outside the property to prevent wasps from entering your property. And the best time to do this is before spring starts, so during the months of January, February, March. And yeah, we got it under control somehow. 1 year later. Okay, now the wasps have gone. I'm now going to peel off the filler and fill the gap using expanding foam filler. And this is a fairly deep hole. This is how deep the hole actually is. It goes all the way up to the roof. The only thing wasps cannot eat through is metal and glass. So you want to make sure the hole is clean from dust or dirt. So I'm just going to use a brush to wipe away any dirt in there. So this is Unibond white finished expanding foam filler that expands 4 times its original size. It has thermal and sound installation and high durability. The gloves can be found on the lid. Always important to protect your hands, surfaces and your clothes, as it is very difficult to remove this substance. It took me ages to remove it from my hands, and I found it very difficult to remove the stain from my trousers. So do remember to wear old clothes or overalls. Gently insert the tube to the can. Okay. Always remember to give the can a good shake. Okay, I'm going to turn the can upside down and squeeze. This will release the foam. As you can see, it's coming out now. Now the mistake I made here is I overfilled this area. In fact, I used the whole can because I cannot see how deep the hole actually is, how far it goes back. So what happened is the foam started to expand, as you can imagine, out of control, and yeah, it started to come out of the hole, oozing out the remains of the wasps with it. So just a warning not to overfill a gap, as this can happen to you. Allow up to 24 hours to fully dry before cutting or sanding down. It's easy to handle when it's fully dry. You can break it away from the walls or surfaces. If you do have carpet, or if you want to protect your floors, then do put an old sheet down before you start using this stuff. Yeah. Okay, that's definitely solid, so I'm going to break it off. It's proving difficult to break off in one go, so using the famous bread knife, I'm going to saw it off. And it's very difficult to get in and do a clean cut, as it's this area, the hole is in a corner, so it is very difficult to slice off, but we got there in the end. We go. There. No, that's it. Good boy. Okay, I'm now going to sand it down with the sanding paper. What I'm going to use now is some of this old purpose filler. Okay, I'm going to leave that to fully dry. Usually it takes up to 6 hours depending on the humidity. And I'm now going to sand it down some more. As you can see, it's not that smooth here, this bit here, which has too much silicone between the top of the window and the ceiling. So what I'm going to do here is try and remove some of the silicone by slicing it with a Stanley knife to flatten it down, and then apply a thin layer of Unibond sealant. Oh, before I do that, I'm just going to clean this area with methylated spirit. The dark stain on the PVC is very hard to remove. This was caused by wasp spray, so no matter what I do, it just won't come off. So if you know how to remove tough stains from PVC windows, please leave a comment down below. I'm now going to apply the white sealant and leave it to dry. So this is a before and after shots. What a difference. Not perfect, not a perfect finish, but a lot better than what it was before. So, and once I put my wallpaper up, you would hardly notice it. So, well, you won't notice it at all, will you? Okay, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications for more how-to videos. Bye for now.